Hello friends, is your car refusing to start and you found the trouble code P0633? This code means immobilizer key not programmed, and without a properly programmed key, your car won't start. This issue can be frustrating, especially if your vehicle was recently serviced or the battery was disconnected. In this video, I'll explain what P0633 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0633? The P0633 code stands for Immobilizer Key Not Programmed ECM. This means that the ECM, Engine Control Module, does not recognize the immobilizer key, preventing the car from starting. This issue happens after ECM replacement, key reprogramming failure, or an immobilizer system fault. Common symptoms of P0633. Car won't start or intermittent starting issues. Check engine light or security light on engine cranks but does not start anti-theft system warning on the dashboard. Key fob may not unlock the car. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0633, check these key components. Engine Control Module ECM. Location, usually in the engine bay near the firewall or under the dashboard. Function, controls engine performance and verifies key authorization. Immobilizer Module Anti-Theft Control Module. Location, under the dashboard near the steering column or inside the center console. Function, works with the ECM to authenticate the key and allow engine start. Transponder key or key fob. Location, inside the ignition switch or remote key fob. Function, sends a unique security code to the ECM for authorization. Antenna ring, immobilizer receiver. Location, around the ignition switch or key slot. Function, reads the transponder key's code and sends it to the immobilizer module. Tip, if your battery was disconnected or your ECM was replaced, the immobilizer key may need reprogramming. Common causes of P0633 ECM replacement without key reprogramming. A new ECM must be linked with the immobilizer system. Dead or weak key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent communication with the immobilizer module. Ignition switch or antenna ring failure. If the receiver can't read the key code, the car won't start. Wiring or connection issues. A damaged connection between the ECM and immobilizer module can trigger P0633. Anti-theft system malfunction. If the system gets corrupted, the key might need to be reset or reprogrammed. How to fix P0633. Step 1. Check the key fob battery, replace it if it's weak or dead. Step 2. Use a spare key, if available. If another key works, your main key may be faulty. Step 3. Inspect the immobilizer antenna ring. Look for loose connections or damage. Step 4. Scan the ECM and immobilizer module using an obd2 scanner. Check for additional security system faults. Step 5. Reprogram the key using a professional scan tool. A dealership or locksmith can reprogram your key. Step 6. Reset the immobilizer system. Some cars allow you to reset it by cycling the key on-off multiple times. Step 7. If the ECM was replaced, ensure it is programmed with the correct key and VIN. Otherwise, the car won't start. Ignoring P0633 means your car might refuse to start when you need it the most. Fixing this issue ensures smooth operation and prevents unnecessary repair costs. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0520. Engine oil pressure sensor circuit P0521. Oil pressure sensor range, performance like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.